We've seen what a negative exponent does to something in the numerator. It moves the base to the denominator. So if a negative exponent moves something in the numerator to the denominator, then a negative exponent in the denominator must move that to the numerator. When we first saw negative exponents, we learned that a base raised to a negative exponent would be the reciprocal of that base raised to its positive exponent. This can also work in the opposite way, like if we have a negative exponent in the denominator. A negative exponent indicates to write the reciprocal of the base to the positive power. So I have 1 divided by 1/4, the reciprocal of 4, squared. I change the negative to positive. I know dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by a reciprocal, so I can rewrite this expression as 1 times 4 squared. And again, notice, a negative exponent in the denominator moves the base to the numerator with its positive exponent. We can use the same reasoning with variables. I see a negative exponent in the denominator, so I know that this base is going to wind up with a positive power in the numerator, y to the 5th. For this last one, we want to be careful. 5 has an exponent of 1, and x has an exponent of negative 4. So only the x term gets moved to the numerator. When we handle this negative exponent, we rewrite our expression as x to the 4th divided by 5. In general, here's the rule we could write for a base raised to a negative exponent that appears in the denominator. We simply write it in the numerator with its positive exponent.